Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to eat our delicious food we prepare. It's on our YouTube channel how we prepare it. So this is vegetable. We have this is vegetable 4 in 1. It's on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my stew we are going to use for the this is rice stew with mackerel and eggs. Okay, so we have our juice here, water. So come and join us as we're about to eat. This is rice and spaghetti. That is so beautiful people, this is how we serve our food. This is nice. Manuela, where? Come on, take your food.
Yummy. That's yummy. That's yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. Oh.
Yummy, 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 yummy,
Yummy. Yeah, take a spoon. Fill it. Take. Beautiful people, come and join us with this delicious vegetable and rice
Pink. Blue. Blue. This is an egg.
Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you could see, we are about to eat our usual lunch. Okay, so thank you for joining us, thank you for watching, thank you for our returning viewers, returning subscriber. Thank you. As you could see, we have this is rice and vegetable stew. Okay, the vegetable, this is 4-in-1. The one we use ugu, the African fluted pumpkin leaf prepared. It's on our YouTube channel how we prepared it. Then this is stew, okay, with fresh mackerel fish. So this is Emanuela's own and this is Philip's own. Already Philip has started eating. So please.
Thank you, Jesus, for this food.
Yes.
God bless our viewers who are watching us. Bless them with whatever they need.
Their heart desires.
So God provide for them. So come and join us.
Yes, so beautiful, you are invited. Then we have a juice.
Yes.
Please.
This is our juice here.
This juice is
it's supernatural, no preservative, just
blood tonic and for kidney and liver.
yes. Manuela eats.
Nice, because of let me keep it here. Okay. Oh, you didn't put shea. You didn't bring for now.
I'll go on later.
Well, eat.
I'll go and bring. Yeah, it's. I'll give you more.
More is coming, eh? This vegetable soup. In case you have not watched the video where we use it to prepare to eat the wheat and the plantain, please, the video is on our YouTube channel. So it's the same soup we are using to eat this rice with spaghetti.
Beautiful vegetable. It's nice. Oh.
Today, as you can see, we are not eating swallow. So good. We'll be preparing this juice. We'll show you how we got it. Very natural. It's like the vegetable soup. Yesterday it was like 100/100, but today it's like 150/100. See space here now. This is yummy. And the vegetable.
If you want to prepare vegetable, please try and find look for better red oil.
Yes, so
Red oil.
because if you don't use a good, there's a lot of fake red oils outside. Most especially red oil that is bought in the city. Majority of them,
We bought one. It's not good.
they are counterfeit. I personally,
This one we are using it make the vegetable delicious.
if you use a red oil that is not good,
You will know.
even when you know how to cook food, your food will not taste good. Let's add more rice.
More vegetables.
Please, more.
The vegetable make the rice go well, smooth.
Philip, eat. Oh, eat. This for you. This for you. This for you. Please, more juice. Yeah, eat. Eat. See you, fish. You finish your egg. Philip like more egg than fish. Yeah. Fish. Yes. More juice. Beautiful people. Oh.
Philip, you need more. You need juice.
Please like, share, comment.
Or water.
Philip, you want
Take
water?
water.
Wow. And these days it's very important to be eating vegetables because nature water. Okay. Nature has embedded a lot of nutrients in vegetables. In fact, most of the tablets we are taking these days, like food supplements, most of them you can find the nutrients, on their original platform on fresh vegetables. So that was why this 4-in-1 vegetable is packed with a lot of nutrients. The video is on our YouTube channel.
If you want to buy red oil, please try and check the red oil you are buying. Taste or
Yes,
scent.
so taste
The
it.
scent and the taste itself.
A good red oil will fry your food quickly as possible, and the taste it will give you the original taste.
Don't put
But a counterfeit red oil, it will not fry your food. It will look like as if it's cooking it. Even the red oil, it will not have the original red color.
oil, yes.
It will look somehow a bit
more red.
Maybe in our next video we'll show you a fake red oil and original red oil. We'll use it to do specimen. We'll use it to fry something to see the good, you know, the differences. That is one of the causes of a lot of sickness and diseases these days. Many people will have a lot of sicknesses and diseases, and if they visit the physician, they will tell them that they can't find their sickness, or their sickness has no name, or you find yourself being used as experiment. They will say, do this, do this, do this, do that. At the end of the day, somebody would have done like up to 10 different tests and scans. They are here to tell you that this is your problem. If care is not taken, someone will just pass on because of
Food.
fake food. Philip, are you okay? Yeah. You want to kind of you say bye bye to viewers. So beautiful people, thank you for watching. Manela, say bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Mwah.